driving in TCR Denmark in a Honda FK7. Peter, my engineer, told me that I should try it because my speeder was not perfect, speeder foot. So I tried to do it on the baseline. It worked pretty good for me. We can see improvements from this time from Jyllandsringen to now, so that's great. It works pretty good in the sim because you get variation of how you can get on the speeder, so it works pretty good and you have a good relation to what it feels like in the sim and what it feels like on the track. Yes, I will say that other guys that struggle with either the brake or the speeder should try it baseline because it works pretty good.